Good morning, students. This is part 2 of the previous video shared by me earlier, and here I am going to solve the left questions of today's lecture. So the first question for this video is the sixth part of question number 1 of exercise 3.3. So exercise 3.3, question number 6, sixth part, and the question is based on the substitution method, and we need to solve this question using the substitution method. The question is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now if we see this question, in both the equations 2 and 3 are in denominator, and the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So what we are going to do, nothing, we are going to simply multiply both sides of both the equations by 6, because the LCM is 6. So multiplying both sides of both equations by 6. So this will become 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12, and this will become 2x plus 3y to 30. So we need to solve this question using substitution method. So I am going to substitute this value of x from equation 2. If we see this will be 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y, or x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. I am going to put this value in the equation 1 of value of x in equation 1. So this will be 9 into 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. I am taking this 2 as an LCM, and this will become 27 minus this is 20y, this is minus 24. If we transfer this, 117 plus 24 is equal to 27 plus y plus 20. And this is 141 is equal to 47y, or y is equal to 141 by 47, that is 3. If we transfer this value of y from here to this equation x, so x is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 by 2, to x is equal to 2. So after solving this equation using substitution method, we get the value of x as 2 and the value of y as 3. The second question for today is question number 3, first part of exercise 3.3. This is question number 1, sixth part. I am going to solve the next question, question number 3, first part. And the question says, that difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find the number. So the question number 3, first part. Question says the difference between two number. Let the first number be x and second number be y. According to the first equation, the difference between two number is 26. Also, one number is 3 times the other. So I am going to put the value of this x from equation 2 into equation 1. So let's see. I am going to put the value of x from equation 2 into equation 1. So this will be now 3y minus y is equal to 26. 2y is equal to 26. So the y is 13. Again, if we put this value of y from here to here, so this will be x is equal to 3y, x is equal to 3y, so x is equal to 3 into 13, x is equal to 39. So the two numbers will be 39 and 13. Now the third question for today, this question also solved using the substitution method. We are substituting the value of 1 into another equation to find the value of the other variable. Now the last question for today is question number fifth part, and the question says, question number fifth part, and the question says a fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. The question is, if I am going to add 2 in both the numerator and denominator of a fraction, the fraction becomes 9 upon 11. So let the fraction be x upon y. So first condition, case 1, it is said if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator of a fraction, it becomes 9 upon 11. From here I am going to write an equation in two variables, a linear equation in two variables with, so this will be 11x plus 22, 9y plus 18, or 11x 9y minus 4. Case 2 says it becomes 5 by 6 if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. This is 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15, 6x, 5y minus 3. Again we need to solve this using the substitution method. So I am going to put the value of x from here in equation 2. 6x is equal to 3 plus 5y, x is equal to 5y minus 3 upon 6. This value of x I am going to put in first equation. So the first equation will become 11 into 5y minus 3 by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. I am going to take the 6 as an LCM. So this will be 55y minus 33 minus 54y is equal to minus 24. So 55 minus 54, this is y, and if we transfer this 33 that side, 33 minus 24, so y is equal to 9. If we put this value of y from here in x, so x is equal to 5 into 9 minus 3, 6. So x is equal to 42 by 6, or x is equal to 7. So the fraction will be from here, if you put the value of x and y, fraction will be 7 upon 9. This is my answer. So thank you for today. I hope this all will help you to solve the other questions, and thank you for today.